Let's make some honey garlic bean balls. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of Meatless Monday. In today's episode, I'll be making my honey garlic bean balls. Alright, I have my ingredients here, so let's begin. So I'll be using my kidney beans here, tin kidney beans, make it quick and easy. Right here now I have some diced onions, some diced sweet pepper, and some thyme leaves. Alright, so we're going to start, and I have my garlic paste here, sorry about that. And then we're going to start, we'll move over to the stove and start sauteing these, and then put them to cool, and then we'll start on the bean balls. Okay, so our seasons had been sauteed and now cool. So we're going to start blending these together. So I'm going to start by, adding my red peas to the blender here. And I must tell you guys, if you see my fingernails looking a bit dark, I was blending some turmeric, fresh turmeric, and peeling and blending, and then my fingernails got stained. So don't be alarmed. They're not dirty, it's just stained from the turmeric. Alright, so I'm just adding the beans here to the blender. Remember, I drain it. Not fully, but I drain off majority of the water that was on there, the liquid that was on there. Right here now I'm adding my sauteed seasonings, which is my onion, sweet pepper, and garlic. Right here now I have approximately a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Need some heat in there. Don't have any scotch bonnet, surprisingly. But we do it with what we have. And then right here now I have about half a cup of oats. This is going to be the binding ingredient. Remember, so it's meatless. We don't want any egg in there to bind it together, so we're using the oats to bind it together. Alright, so but I'm not going to put everything down in there all at once. I just need to blend and then test to see how much it is that I need to use. Alright. Right here now I'm adding about half a teaspoon of garlic paste that I made. My fresh garlic paste there. And about a quarter teaspoon of salt, nothing much. Then just gonna cover and then blend away. So we're gonna pulse it. We don't want to blend it out too smooth. We need to have some of the peas shining through. So we're just gonna pulse a little and then stir it up and check, and until we get our desired consistency. So I'm using all the oats there. And we're going to start pulsing again, just for a little. The camera stopped without my noticing, guys. Sorry about that, but we just finished blending up, as you see from the last thing there. As I can notice here, I didn't fully blend it out. We still have the peas shining through. So I'm just here forming my balls. Just like so. This is my final ball. I got 8 balls from the wanting of peas there. Alright. And this is what they're looking like, guys. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and allow them to firm up, and then we'll come back. Alright. This is what they're looking like after 15 minutes in the fridge. Don't mind that white cast you're seeing there. I mistakenly put coconut oil on there to baste it. Now we're just start on the sauce. I'm adding about a teaspoon of oil there. Then I'm adding my garlic paste. Run it for about half a minute to get fragrant. About 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Don't worry guys, the ingredients this will be in the description box below, so check down there. And here I'm adding my honey, which is about a tablespoon. And in the same bowl with the soy sauce, I added about a tablespoon of water, and I'm adding it here. And then we need some heat. I say I don't have any scotch bonnets. I'm adding about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper here. Alright, just for some heat. Adding just a pinch of salt. Give it a good stir and allow it to thicken up on the stove there. I give it a quick taste and it's perfectly fine, so just allow it to thick up some. So this is what our sauce is looking like. Remember, we're going to take it off the heat. Now remember, once it cools down, it's going to thick up more. So, and here we have it here now. Just going to move straight to the balls. So, I'm just going to spread the sauce all over the balls there. Put it on there, and then we're going to turn them over and brush on some more sauce on there. Then we're going to put it in the oven for approximately 15 minutes to allow them the sauce to thicken up and for them to to bake off in the oven there, and then we'll come back as soon as we're finished. All right. Straight into my preheated oven. They're going for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and show what they look like. So I had them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and this is what they're looking like. Trust me guys, the camera is not picking up the true beauty of these bean balls here. Alright, you see all that sauce there. Remember, so we don't waste nothing around here. So we're taking that up and we're brushing it on our balls. And here is the true beauty of our bean balls. Alright, thank you so very much for joining me today guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video guys.